Welcome guys, it's Colin from bashbackpain.com, another video for you. Today I want to talk about a muscle called the Quadratus Lumborum. Now it's a muscle which sits very, very close to your spine, runs down around about here, okay? And it is a very difficult muscle to stretch, but it does cause a lot of problems with lower back pain. It can get tight, bound up, and if you can stretch it out, you're going to get some relief from your back pain. Now I had a couple of herniated discs back in the day, sciatica pain. It was a nightmare, okay? I was living on the floor for a couple of weeks, taking so many painkillers, Excedrin, Aleve, etc., etc. It was brutal, ibuprofen. It was a nightmare, yeah? But I overcame it. You know, I went into my research, people I'd learned from, developed a really good rehabilitation system. This stretch was part of that system, and I'm going to show it for you guys today. So, I'm going to show you the full stretch first, okay? I have to step back from the camera because we need something to stand on. I've got a couple of plates here. You could be using hardback books, okay? Some little shelf side of a step. Stretch looks like this, okay? Now, let me take you through it very quickly. I'll show you from the front as well before we get into it. There we go. Okay, so what do? This muscle comes down the spine. It has attachments at the top of the pelvis. All right, for us to stretch it, we're going to have to be pushing in both directions, pulling apart in both directions. So the upper body's got to move one way and the lower body the other way. So how do we set up this stretch? Okay, so we'll start with the lower body first. Pelvis, okay, you can arch your back, stick your bum backwards, or you can tuck your tail under. Stick your bum backwards or tuck your tail under. Bum backwards, tail under. We're going to be using our tail under. You squeeze your glutes, tuck your tailbone under. Okay, that's the first move. Second move is going to be the leg. We're going to be stretching the left side. Use the left leg. We rotate the leg inward. So that's external rotation. We're doing internal rotation. All right. Now the foot. What do we want with the foot? We want the toes turned up. Okay. We want the hallux, this part of your big toe here, to be facing upward. So not out, okay? We want it to be in, all right? So if I stand here just to show you here. So we rotate in, and turn that hallux, the toes, up towards me, okay? That's the lower half. Now the upper half, we're gonna be pushing with the upper body up. So take your arm, again, just left, same side, left side. Bring it out in front of you, okay? Fingers to the ceiling. You're going to rotate, externally rotate the arm. Now the thumb faces the ceiling. And you're going to bring that up here, and you're going to be pushing the whole shoulder girdle up towards the ceiling, all right? That's the upper body motion. And effectively what you're going to see, you have a slight, almost like a little curvature, as the leg, we're going to be pushing that down, and the arm goes up, and you get this little curvature, and you'll feel the stretch right through here. So let me take you through the steps on the block. You can be doing this at home. I'll show you from the front and the side. I'll show you from the front first. Now you want to set up a step, a block, a couple of plates close to a wall. You want to have support, okay? I'm going to show you from the front here. I'll use this hand for my support. So I'm going to be stretching the left side. So I tuck my tail, squeeze my glutes, tuck my tail under, tuck my tail, rotate the leg inward, toes towards, upwards, towards me. I'm going to bring the leg a little bit in front, okay? Hold that position. Fingers, thumb to the ceiling, up by my ear. Now I'm going to drive my heel to the ground at the same time as pushing my arm up. Keep my head forward a little bit over to that actually stretching side, to the left side. I'm trying to imagine my heel is dropping to the ground. I'm pushing that heel to the ground and pushing my arm up. So I get it's basically stretching that particular muscle. Push, maybe 10, 15 seconds, and relax slowly, okay? Now I'm going to show you from the side so you can see the position there. So again, side of the step, got my hand for support here. Tuck the tail under, little squeeze of the glutes, rotate the leg inward, toes towards, a little bit in front with that leg, so it's not directly beside you, a little bit in front. Fingers to the ceiling with a hand, thumb to the ceiling, bring it up, turn my head a little bit towards my working side, and I try. And you see the push, and push, 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 15, 20 seconds, work up to 30 seconds, and relax, okay? Of course, you do this for real. Don't forget, both sides, all right? So here, tuck my tail, leg in front, rotate inward, toes to the top. I do it automatically for you guys. Fingers to the ceiling, thumb to the ceiling, up, and push away like so. And again from the front. Tuck my tail, rotate inward, toes up to the front, and push. See the slight motion as I go, okay? Very, very effective stretch for your quadratus lumborum, which will help your lower back pain. All right, guys, any questions, comments, hit me up down below. If you've liked this video, please like and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.